Hi, my name is Linda, and welcome to episode 4 of Escaping My Fairy Tale. Sometimes the loudest form of pain is not yelling or screaming, it's silence. In today's episode, I would like to talk about the weapon that nearly destroyed me, the silent treatment. Every fairy tale begins with promises, a castle, a prince, a story that was meant to last forever. I believed in that dream. I built my life around it. But the story I was living was not the story I was writing. Behind the pages, betrayal was being written in secret ink. My fairy tale went up in flames. The walls I thought would protect me crumbled, stone by stone, until I stood in the wreckage of everything I thought was real. But in the ruins, I lifted my eyes, and there I saw the lion, the presence of God, waiting to lead me out of the ashes and into His truth. This is Escaping My Fairy Tale. Welcome to my story, and maybe to yours. The silent treatment isn't quiet at all. It's the kind of silence that echoes through your chest. It's punishment disguised as peace, control dressed up as calm. It's when love turns into a guessing game and you're punished, not with words, but with withdrawal. Sometimes he wouldn't speak to me for days. The air in our home would grow heavy, filled with all the words he refused to say. And then, just as I'd begin to crumble under the weight of it, he'd walk through the door as if nothing had happened. I remember many nights when standing at the oven, cooking dinner for our family. The kids were laughing around the house. The house smelled like garlic bread, and for a moment, I almost felt normal again. But then he would walk in, throw his arms open, and shouted loudly enough for everyone to hear. "Come give me a hug, Mommy. Hey, you guys, why isn't Mommy running to hug me? What's wrong with Mommy?" In that moment, he turned my silence, the silence he created, into proof that something was wrong with me. The same man who had ignored me for days suddenly played the victim of my distance. And I stood there in front of my children, feeling small, invisible, and blamed. That's how the silent treatment works. It doesn't just erase your voice. It rewrites the story. It turns your pain into their performance. You start apologizing for wounds you didn't cause and trying to make peace with someone who thrives on your confusion. Over time, it breaks you down. You stop speaking truth because every word you say gets twisted. And slowly, you start silencing yourself, thinking maybe that will bring peace, the peace that you long for. But the silence of God is nothing like the silence of man. When God is quiet, it isn't rejection, it's protection. It's His way of drawing you close, not pushing you away. Psalm 34:18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." While my husband used silence to punish me, God used it to whisper, "You're still mine, and I still see you." And even when the house felt hollow, His presence filled the emptiness. If someone is using the silent treatment to control you or punish you, please hear me. That's not love. That's manipulation. Real love speaks and real love listens. And real love, God's love, never goes silent on you. If any of this spoke to you today, please stay with me. I would love to be with you on your journey as we walk together through the castle walls. See you next time.